This 2022 BMW 2 Series 228i had severe collision damage, and we took the best repair approach, not the cheapest one. Instead of taking shortcuts with excessive body filler, we used paintless dent repair to restore the metal before refinishing, preserving the factory panel and structure. For damage this extreme, paint was necessary, but thanks to paintless dent repair, we avoided unnecessary panel replacement and kept the repair as clean and strong as possible. At DentOut, we don't do cheap repairs. We do them right. No shortcuts, no cutting corners, just expert craftsmanship and long-lasting quality. Visit DentOutRGV.com today.